Following video 20, today I will show you how to update and delete a product variant in BigCommerce using Postman. Section 1. Update a product variant. First, go back to the Retrieve Product Variant tab to select a product variant you want to update. Remember the ID of that variant. Now, open a new tab. Select Put and paste the URL below. Replace store hash with your store hash and product ID by the product ID you want to see the variants. Similarly, in the header, we will need the accept, content type, and access token declarations. With the body part, we will update the information related to this product variant, including SKUs, prices, sizes. I will change some information. And here is a sample example. As you can see, the information of this variant before changing it will look like this. Once done, click the Send button to send the request. And the result returned is the information about the product variant has been updated to exactly what I want. Check the results. Now we'll move on to part 2, delete a product variant. Open a request tab. Here you choose delete and use the URL with the same structure as in the instructions for updating the product variant. The header is unchanged. Skip the body and just press send and you have successfully deleted the product variant you want. Now go back to BigCommerce to check the results. I have instructed you to update and delete the product variant. If you have any questions or problems, please leave a comment below. Finally, I hope you can do it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. BigCommerce. Connecting applications. Automating processes.